Hello guys, welcome to the series of JavaScript array method. In this video, we are going to see the find method. So find method basically return the value of the first element in an array that pass it haste. Okay, means we will basically provide one function, and if the function satisfy, then it it will return the element. So if it's find an array element where the function return a value, true value, so find return the value of that array element, and it will stop taking the remaining value. And if it doesn't find that element, then it will return the undefined. This is the basic syntax of find. Array.find function with current value index array and the optional this value. So index array and this value is optional, and the current value is compulsory, I mean it's mandatory. So again, this is the same as compared to the filter method, which we saw in the last video. So the value nothing but the value of the current element index, array index of the current element array. This is the array object the current element belong to, and this value, a value to be passed to the function to be used at this value. If the parameter is empty, the value will undefined, means the undefined value will be passed at it this value basically. So some key point we have regarding the find method. So find does not execute the function for empty array, and find does not change the original array. Okay, okay. So let's see some example in VS Code. So I will create one file with find. So we have some array. So const found array dot find L greater than 10. We need to adjust our file name in index. So we will see the result. Okay, so we got the 12 value. So the moment it find the first value, it stop looking rest of the array element. So you can see 120 is also there, greater than 10 and 60 also there. But the find actually work in that way. The moment you find the element, it will stop looking other element. So this is the find method, and we will see one more example of find method using array of object. So how you can find the index for an array of object using the properties. So suppose we have some fruits of array. Okay, so I'm giving some name. So this is apple. Quantity is 4. Let's assume I will copy a couple of times. So this, let's assume banana this something wrong while copying. Okay, so this one is banana, this one is grapes. Quantity, let's modify a little bit. Okay, so we have our array of object. Okay, so suppose I want the value based on the property name. So I want the entire value, basically name and quantity, based on the property name. So if I give the name as a apple, so I will get all the information about that array of object. Okay, so let's do this. So we can do like this way. So const found fruit, something found fruit, and fruit dot find item. Item is equal to apple. So sorry, item dot name. Okay, so found fruit. Let's see. So we got all information like name and quantity. So using the property name, we can get all the info about that specific object. So this is the find method. I hope you like the concept of find method. And if you like this video, press the like button. And if you like the content on this channel, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.